press play.
You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice our love.
We'll pause that for a second. The problem with this CD boombox being of age, this selector switch sitting right here, whenever you play the radio, CD player, or cassette tape that we have here, this item would very difficult to get any volume out of this volume slide right here. So with a combination of taking it apart and using CRC electronic cleaner and taking this boombox apart and putting that in that little selector mode box and moving it back and forth, and inside these graphical equalizer pots, this extra bass pot and this volume control or a potentiometer were cleaned up, and now it works like it should. Go back to play.